Wagwan Jamaica, welcome back to News to Me. If it's one thing we Jamaicans are good at, it's minding people's business. Not just any people, women specifically. We make it our business to police women's bodies. We want to tell women what to do with their vaginas, when they're to start having children, when they're to stop having children, and how fat they're allowed to be. The latest thing we're fixated on is abortion. Jamaicans have been frothing up over who a dash belly from Whappi kill Philip. And guess what? With all the noise we make, belly still a dash way. And whatever the reason a woman decides not to carry a pregnancy, that's 100% her choice and 100% none of your damn business. The thing is, many of you privately don't have a problem with abortion, but publicly, on a side with a pastor. Why? Because the church in Jamaica is very loud about the rights of the unborn, not so much about women's rights. According to Jamaican Christians, women must be humble, serve their husbands, and be good little housekeepers while their God-fearing husbands carry the mistress to the backdoor doctor to do the same thing they're preaching against. Dash with the belly. Una too hypocritical, man. Una love tell woman to carry it. Give it up for adoption. Somebody must help you. Then una same one turn round and cuss woman so she have pitney what she can't afford. Children are expensive. We know that. Another reason not to have them if you don't want them. Condoms and contraceptives they're about, yes, but not every woman is in charge of her reproductive decisions. If she's raped, she can give it up for adoption. What? Carry rapist pitney in a fufa belly. Me we take knife and stab out me own a gut. Una shame woman when they breed and shame them when they nano pitney. Just like how the church is now trying to shame the State Minister of Health, Juliet Cuthbert Flynn, for her public support for legal abortion. A move that would make it safer for a woman to terminate a pregnancy if she chooses. Imagine, this pastor is going to tell the Prime Minister to rein in the minister? Cause what? Woman no fi so loud. Woman fi know them place. Woman no have no say over their own bodies. Really? So we just go and pretend like getting an abortion is not already a regular part of Jamaican life? We're going to let church people who have nothing to say about rapists and sexual abusers and pedophiles standing at the altar dictate what grown women should do with their bodies in 2021? Was it mad? It's time for the laws to change. Abortion should be legal and free at public clinics. As Twitter user The Layman's Doctor pointed out, abortions need to be legally available in our public system because it's the women who can't afford appropriated care that are affected the most with botched abortions or the sequela of birthing children they can't afford to care for. Nobody now forces you to get one if you don't want it, but the option should be there for those who do. And a woman doesn't have to be raped or assaulted or sick to have the right to an abortion. The only reason a woman needs to seek an abortion is that she does not want to have a child, full stop. And guess what? It is none of your damn business.